Look what I just received from Jaxa Joy. This is a princess dress-up shoe and jewelry set, and it's perfect for little girls. And it's perfect for imaginative play and dress-up. And you're going to be getting 4 of these shoes, as well as 2 pairs of earrings, 3 bracelets, and also 3 rings too. And look how dazzling they are. Perfect for dress-up play and imagination fun. And look how nice these are. This is 7.5 inches and the heels are 1.5 inches tall. So perfect fun for your little one. And let me show you a close-up of all you're gonna receive. Here's a close-up of what the box looks like. It also comes with this handle too. Perfect for dress-up fun all the time. And look how adorable these shoes are. Even has these little rose embellishments too. And this is what the second pair of shoes look like. It also has the rose embellishment, and it also measures 7.5 inches with a 1.5 inch heel. And this is what the third pair of shoes look like. They have these cute little bows in the front, and it also has blue with pink accent heels, and very nice. And this is what the fourth pair of shoes look like. And these are gold bows with gold soles and also black accented too. And this is what the glittery jewelry looks like. Here's a pair of clip-on earrings and also 2 rings. 1 in pink and 1 in silver. Absolutely adorable. And this is what the other jewelry looks like. You get silver clip-on earrings, also 3 bangle bracelets, and a ring too. And this whole set is for children 3 years old and up. Isn't this a fantastic set? Perfect gift to give to your daughter, granddaughter, niece, or a family friend. Great for all throughout the year, whether it's the holidays or birthday parties or just because. Definitely recommend this. This is so adorable and cute. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.